What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're safe, hope you're corona-free. This is my second video I'm making today, you guys. So if you see me in another video with the same shirt on, I do change clothes, okay? Okay! Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, please click like and subscribe. Click the bell to get notifications whenever I make a video. And click thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment. Share the video, you guys. I just love you. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you so much. And like I said in my previous video, I have some huge news, you guys. I mean, like, huge beyond my belief. SkinnyBoyRandy in the garden. You're going to be so proud, okay? Okay? That's all I can say right now, okay? So, let's just jump right into this video. It's going to be quick, simple, and easy, hopefully under 5 minutes. I'm just going to show you how and when to water your seedlings. So, as you can see, I let this get a little bit dry. And see how they're kind of leaning over? But that's okay because they haven't been dry more than 24 to 48 hours. And they're not stone dry, but they're dry enough to where they're leaning and not standing straight up strong, okay? Okay? So, what we're going to do, we put our seedlings in a tray. And when your soil gets dry like that, that's when you want to make sure you water them. You want to water them before they get that dry, though, okay? That's my fault. I hope you guys are blessed and having a safe day. Just sit your seedlings in a tray. Just sit them in a tray that holds water without any holes in it, you guys, of course. These are some more of our peppers. And you generally want to, when you first start your seedlings, you start them off in moist soil starting mix, seed starting mix. And they're already moist. You don't have to overwater your plants. Don't overwater them. They actually like to get a little bit dry. When you overwater, you start seeing things happen. And I'm going to take the starter leaves off of these. Yep. Because they're just using energy and the plant is pretty much done with them. So you see them getting yellow, they're going to die off anyway. So you can remove your starter leaves, you guys. So, but yeah, this video is about watering, so we're just going to get to the watering. So we're going to make sure we have room for all of our trays. What we got? Let's sit that one over there. We'll just water this one separately because our container, wait a minute. We can adjust, we can make it work, you guys. There we go. And we can get everybody in there. Just like that. Leave your space for watering right there. Now these have been growing since March 25th. Yeah, March 25th. I had to start all over. So I'm going to go ahead and get these watered. And about this stage, they're a little over 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks old. We can fertilize. I actually fertilize after they get their true leaves and not their first starter leaves. I fertilize as soon as they get their true leaves because they've used up all of the energy from the starter leaves and the seed. And this is some 511 fertilizer, something nice and light. And you just mix a tablespoon and a gallon of water. Put them in there too. And this is some fishy stuff, y'all. This is fish fertilizer, but it's some great stuff. And I'm just going to take a tablespoonful because these plants are still young. I'm just going to put it in here. And since there's a little bit, that's going to be left in the rim, I put a little tap more to make sure we're getting the full tablespoon. Okay? And just going to sit this right there. Let some of this run off the side. Now I'm going to shake it up. Oh, it stinks. And it should turn a little brown like that. Do not overwater your seeds, you guys. That's a big mistake. I've done it. Been there, done that. So we're just going to fill up. You can move one plant until you fill your tray up. Fill your tray all the way up so that all of the containers are getting moisture. I normally go about that much, about that much, and then let it soak up. And then I'll come back and refill as needed. And so you're gonna let these sit about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes, until you see the tops turn back to a darker brown. And that's all you do, you guys. Water your seedlings like every other week until they're ready to be transplanted outside. I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for being here. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, you guys. Don't overwater your seedlings. And click like and subscribe. I love you. You're the best.